In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code on Squarespace website. If you've ever wanted to fine-tune the look of your site or add specialized tools that aren't available out of the box, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go in Squarespace to add your own code safely and cleanly. Start on your Squarespace dashboard. From here, click Website, and then click Pages. This brings you to the full list of pages on your site. Don't worry if it looks busy. What we need is all the way at the bottom. Scroll down to the end of the pages list, and you'll see an option labeled Custom Code. This is the central place Squarespace provides for your design tweaks and code snippets, so you don't have to hunt through different menus. Go ahead and click Custom Code. You'll see two main areas you can work with. First is Custom CS. This is where you can paste style rules to adjust the look and feel of your site. Things like colors, spacing, fonts, and layout refinements. It's perfect for small visual changes without editing templates. For example, you might tighten the spacing under headings or change the appearance of buttons. Keep your CSS organized with comments so it's easy to revisit later, and consider adding changes in small increments so you can immediately see what each tweak does. The second option is code injection, which lets you inject code into places like the header or the footer of your site. The header area is ideal for scripts that need to load early, like fonts or analytics trackers. The footer is great for scripts that can load later, such as chat widgets or certain third-party tools. Code placed here will apply across your site, which is handy for anything that needs to appear on every page. Always use trusted code from reliable sources, and if something doesn't behave as expected, remove the snippet you just added to quickly isolate the issue. A few quick tips as you work. Keep a backup of any code you add so you can roll back easily. Add brief notes inside your CSS or alongside your snippets to remind yourself what each part does. And when adjusting styles, refresh your site in a new tab to confirm everything looks correct across different pages. That's all there is to it. Click Website, click Pages, scroll to the bottom to find Custom Code, and from there, choose Custom CSS or inject code into the header or footer. With these tools, you can tailor your Squarespace site to match your exact vision.